Good morning, students. Continue the discussion on the problems on the basis of properties of determinants. So, in the yesterday classes, one problems will be do on their 4-mark question. That is the second one. Now, to prove that determinants of elements of first rows are 1a square, second row is 1b square, and third row is 1c square equal to a minus b of b minus c of c minus a. Now, first in the LHS will be considered in the form of delta. Delta is equal to 1 1 1 a b c a square b square c square. Now, again first we will observe what are the common elements of any rows or in any columns. If all the elements of any row or any columns, first we will check whether you have any common factor. So, in the first row, 1a square does not have any common factor. Similarly, 1b square, 1c square. So, but if all the elements of 1 1 1, all the elements of the either in one row or in one column is nothing but 1, if it is possible to get easily to 0. So, therefore, by using the conditions for how to get 0 of some of the elements of the determinants by using in the operations of row or the columns. Now, first we will observe these 1 1 are in their elements of row or in their column. Suppose if these are in their elements of the row wise, will get operated in the form of column operation. But if these are in their elements of the column wise, get operating in the row wise. So, now again will be consider in one of the row or will be fixed, either in first row or in second row or in third row. One of them will be fixed. So, now first row will be fixed and the second and third rows are get operating with each other. Now, the second row. So, what are the elements of the second row are subtracting with the corresponding element of the first row, then the first element is nothing but 0. Therefore, R2 can be changes with R2 minus R1. Similarly, now third row is also get operated. R3 can be changes with R3 minus either it can be R1 or can be R2. R1 or R2. R3 can be changes with either subtracting with either R1 or then R2. So, now we will get subtracting in terms of R2. Therefore, delta is nothing but elements of first rows are does not alter. 1a square. Then elements of the second row are subtracting with the corresponding elements of first row. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then second element b minus a. Third element b square minus a square. Similarly, R3 can be changes with R3 minus R2. Again, what are the corresponding elements of R3 are subtracting with the elements of R2. Again, first element is 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, the second element is c minus b. And in third element, c square minus b square. Then, in the elements of the third column, it's also possible to get some simplification. In the first columns are 1 0 0, second column is a, b minus a and c minus b. But in the elements of the third columns are, first one is a square, second one is b square minus a square. Then if it is in the form of a square minus b square, after expansion of a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, b square minus a square is also can be written as b plus a into b minus c. Similarly, c square minus b square is also can be written as c minus b of c plus b. Then, so next we will observe what are any common factors for all the elements of any in one of the row or in one of the column. So, we will observe the elements of the second row. We will observe the elements of the second row. What types of elements are will be the 0, b minus a into b plus a. So, in the second and third element, it is a multiple of b minus a. But in the first element is nothing but 0. But now 0 is also called as multiple of every element. Therefore, if all the elements of the second row is called as multiple of b minus a, therefore b minus a have a common factor from the second row. So in R2, b minus a as a common factor. Similarly, again we'll observe that elements of the third row. So elements of R3 is nothing but 0, c minus b of c plus b. Again, second and third elements of the third row is a multiple of c minus b. Therefore, 0 is also called as a multiple of c minus b. Therefore, all the elements of the third row is a multiple of c minus b. Then another c minus b as a common factor from the third row. So in third row, now get c minus b as a common factor. So, but what are the remaining elements of these two elements that can be taken as in their outside? Now in the first row, it does not alter because these are not have any common factor. Similarly, but in the second row, if all the elements is a multiple of b minus a, after that b minus a has a common factor, what about the remaining? First element is 0. In terms of b minus a has get a common factor, then their place is nothing but 1. And in third element is nothing but b plus a. Similarly, in the elements of the third row, now c minus b as a common factor, what about the remaining? 0, 1 and then c plus b. Then next we'll observe the elements of R3. So because it's one of the properties of the determinant, in the last property of the determinant, suppose if all the elements of one sets of the leading diagonal elements are 0, then the values of the determinant is called the product of the diagonal. But in these cases, third element is not equal to 0. Therefore, first we'll reduce elements of R3 is nothing but 0. Therefore, it's another operation. Now, R3 can be written as R3 minus R2. Means it purely depends on the second row. But in these cases, R3 can be depends on either in first row or in the second row. But in these stages, it always depends on the second row. So therefore, common elements are a minus b of c minus b of first row 1a square. Second row 0 1 b plus a or does not alter. But in their elements of R3 can be changes, that is in the form of R3 minus R2. So R3 minus R2 means 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. Then 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. And the third element c plus b minus elements of R2 is b plus a. C plus b minus of b plus a. After that plus b minus b are get cancelled and the remaining element is nothing but c minus a. So therefore, then we'll apply the properties of the determinant. If one sides of the diagonal elements are will be 0, then the values of the determinant is the product of the principal diagonal elements. But what are the elements of principal diagonals? 1 into 1 into c minus a. So therefore, delta is nothing but delta is equal to, what are the common elements? b minus a into c minus b into product of the diagonal is 1 into c minus a is nothing more c minus a. So therefore, delta is nothing but b minus a into c minus b into c minus a. But if it is comparing with their RHS, so both are will be same or different? Both are will be same but in the different order. So therefore, it can be changes in the form of, in the first group, it's nothing but b minus a. But in our given RHS is nothing more a minus b. Therefore, in these two elements, one of the minus as a common factor. In terms of b minus a, one of minus has a common factor after that if it is nothing but minus of A minus B. Similarly, the next pair is C minus B. But if it is comparing with their RHS is nothing but B minus C. Therefore, it's another one of the negative as a common factor from the second group. In terms of C minus B, again one of the minus as a common factor, that is minus of B minus C into C minus C. So, C minus C is directly represented in their RHS. So, after then these minus are get multiplied with each other. Minus into minus is plus. Therefore, delta is nothing but A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. That is called as an RHS. Next one. Prove that determinant of 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B of B minus C of C minus A of A plus B plus C. Now, we will be considering the delta. Delta is nothing but 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now, what are the elements of the determinants? So, first we will observe have any common factors. So, yavadaru row athwa columns alli some common factors idya first check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So, after then we will come to the elements of 1, 1, 1. Now, 1, 1, 1 are in the elements of the first row. Therefore, we will get operated in the form of column wise. So, in the previous problems, elements are represented in their column wise. 1, 1, 1 are represented in their column wise. Therefore, we will get operated in the form of row formation. But in these cases, these elements are represented in the row wise. Therefore, we will get operate in the column forms. Therefore, the elements of the first columns are will be fixed. Elements of first columns are will be fixed. Elements of second and third columns are depends on the first column. Then C2 can be changes with C2 minus C1. C2 can be changes with C2 minus C1. Similarly, C3 can be changes with C3 minus C1 or C2. C3 can be depends on either C1 or C2. Therefore, delta is nothing but elements of first column 1A AQ. The corresponding elements of the second column are subtracting with their elements of the first column. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, the second element B minus A and third element B cube minus A cube. B cube minus A cube. Similarly, in the third column is depends on the second column. Again, subtracting the corresponding elements of C3 and C2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then C minus B. C minus B. And third element is C cube minus B cube. Now, these two elements B cube minus A cube and C cube minus B cube are in the form of, these are in the form of A cube minus B cube. What about the expansion of A cube minus B cube? That is A minus B of A square plus B square plus AB. It's one of the formula for A cube minus B cube is A minus B of A square plus B square plus AB. By using that result, it be expand of these two elements of the determinants. Now, delta is nothing but 1A A cube in second row 0 B minus A. Then B cube minus A cube can be expanded by using the formula of B minus A into B square plus A square plus AB. Similarly, in the elements of the third column 0 C minus B of C cube minus B cube can be written as C minus B of C square plus B square plus C into B. So, then we will observe the elements of the second column. But in the previous problem, we will possible to get elements of the row wise, because we will be operating in the elements of the row formation. But in these cases, we will be operating in the column formation. Therefore, if we will observe their elements of the column wise, these are the elements of the second column. Elements of the second column. So first we'll observe these elements. If we have any common elements, 0, b minus a of b square plus a square plus ab. So in these elements, b minus a as a common factor because 0 is also a multiple of every number. So similarly, what are the elements of the third column? Now these are the elements of the third column. Again, if it is given any common factor, that is c minus b. c minus b is one of the common factor. Therefore, in the second column, b minus a as a common factor. Similarly, in third column, c minus b have a common factor. So therefore, delta is nothing but in the second column b minus a and in the third column c minus b have a common factor. So what about the remaining? In the first column r does not alter, 1a cube r does not alter. But in the second column, now b minus a as a common factor. What about the remaining? 0 and in place of b minus a is nothing but 1 after get a common factor. And in the third element, b square plus a square plus ab. Similarly, in the third column, now c minus b have a common factor. What about the remaining? 0, 1 and c square plus b square plus cb. So then, next we'll come to the elements of third column. Now again these will be called as one sides of the principal diagonal elements. Suppose if it is nothing but it can be written as 0, so then we'll apply the last properties of determinant. One sides of the leading diagonal elements are 0, then the values of the determinant is the product of the diagonal. So therefore, how to get reduce the elements of second elements of third column is nothing but 0. Therefore, now it can be changes with C3 can be changes with C3 minus C2. C3 changes with C3 minus C2. Again, it always depends on the second column. So therefore, the elements of the first columns are including common factor b minus a into c minus b as a common factor. Elements of the first columns are does not alter, 1a, a cube, and element of the second column 0, 1, b square plus a square plus ab. But in the elements of the third columns are subtracting with the corresponding elements of the second column. Now first element is 0 minus 0 is 0. Second element 1 minus 1 is 0 and third element c square plus b square plus cb minus of b square plus a square plus ab. So after that, by using the properties of the determinant, if one sides of the diagonal elements will be 0. In the third element, if it is possible to get some simplification, plus b square minus b square are get cancelled. And the remainings are nothing but b minus a of c minus b into the values of the determinant is the product of the principal diagonal elements. Now what are the principal diagonal elements? 1, 1 of c square plus ab minus a square plus ab. Therefore, product of the diagonals are c square plus cb minus of a square plus ab. So then we will get simplified. In the first element is b minus a into c minus b of. In this expansion, these are in their elements are in the form of either addition or the subtraction. In this expansion which contains some 4 different elements. In these 4 elements, two terms are get related to each other. What are the relation between their elements can be taken as in their one group. Now the relation will be called as two terms are containing in the powers even power 2 and the remaining 2 terms are containing a multiple of 2 elements. So in these 4 elements, 2 terms can be taken as in the one group, but what are the relation of that elements are having in there? So that relations are nothing but 2 elements are in there containing in even powers and remaining 2 elements are in the multiple form. So therefore these types of significance are will be separated. Therefore first will get separated in terms of power. C square minus A square. C square minus A square are the one types of elements can be taken as in a one group. In the similarly CB minus AB. CB minus AB are the another types of the relations can be taken as in the another group. So after that B minus A of C minus B of. In these 2 terms C square minus A square are again in the form of A square minus B square. After that expansion is nothing but C plus A into C minus A. C plus A into C minus A. Similarly, for the second group, CB minus AB, in these 2 terms, plus B as a common factor. B as a common factor and the remaining is nothing but C minus A. After that, so if these are in the one types of elements and that is another group. So in these 2 groups, have any common factors? So that is called as first group of the elements and that is one is the second group of the elements. In these 2 groups, again one of the common factors is nothing but C minus A. Therefore, that C minus A as a common factor. B minus A into C minus B into. In these 2 groups, C minus A have a common factor. So after that, so what are the remaining element? In the first group, C plus A will be remaining. C plus A will be remaining. Similarly, from the second group, plus B will be remaining. Then, in the first term, then if it is comparing with their RHS, your RHS is nothing but A minus B, but if these are in the form of B minus A, therefore one of the negative as a common factor, that is minus of A minus B. Similarly, the second term C minus B, but if it is in the form of B minus C, therefore it's another minus as a common factor from the second group, minus of B minus C. And third one is nothing but C minus A. Into last one is A plus B plus C is again can be written as C plus B plus A. So after that these minus are get multiplied, that is minus into minus is plus. Therefore A minus B into B minus C into C minus A of A plus B plus C, that is called as an RHS. Next one, show that determinant of A plus X, Y, Z, X, A plus Y, Z, X, Y, A plus Z equals A square of A plus X plus Y plus Z. Now, first we'll consider the elements of delta. A plus X, Y, Z. X, A plus Y, Z. X, Y, A plus Z. So now if it is not comparing with the previous one, it's not an elements are in the form of 1, 1, 1. But in last problem ali, any one of the row or in any one of the columns ali, if all the elements are nothing but 1, 1 antidre, it's possible to easily get 0. But e problems ali atar the elements illa nodi ali, A plus X, Y, Z, all are will be different. Again X, Y plus A plus Y, Z. X, Y, A plus Z. So therefore, if all the elements of any rows or any columns are does not containing in their elements of 1, again if it is not an elements of common factors, it's all the elements are not a multiple of any common factor. So therefore, it's check whether it's get either adding or subtracting the corresponding elements of in any rows or in the columns. If it is possible to get, one of them is nothing but either 0 R is nothing but in the form of identical or in the form of multiples, means common factor. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೋ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 1 1 ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಗೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ರೋಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 possible results are will be exist. One of them is possible to get 0, otherwise is possible to get an any 2 rows or any 2 columns are will be identical, or third one is any one of the rows are will be containing in their multiple of some another constants. So first we'll get adding. Now we'll check whether suppose the elements can be adding in the form of column wise. So what are the elements of the first column? A plus x, x. Now suppose these elements are get adding with each other, whatever the results are will be obtained. A plus x plus x plus x means 3x plus a. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 3x plus a. Similarly, if the elements of the second columns are get adding with each other, elements of the second columns are get adding with each other, y means 3y plus a. And in the elements of the third columns is nothing but 3z plus a. Now these elements are will be called as a common factor or multiple of any common number? Does not get, because first element is depends on 3 times of x, second element is depends on 3 times of y, and third element is depends on 3 times of z. So it's not have a common multiple numbers. Therefore, then we'll observe the elements are in the form of row wise. Elements are get adding in the form of row wise. A plus x plus y plus z. All the elements are will be different. A is 1 times, x is 1 times, y is 1 times, and z is also 1 times. So that is a plus x plus y plus z. Similarly, then we'll observe the elements of the second row. Observe the elements of second row. These are also 1 times of x, 1 times of a, 1 times of y, and 1 times of z. And in their elements of the third row, again 1 times of x, 1 times of y, 1 times of a, and 1 times of z. Now these elements are will be called as common elements. So, but column wise add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x r will be, y r will be, and z r will be different types of number. In first column 3 times of x, second column is 3 times of y, and in third column is 3 times of z. But all these numbers are not a common factor. So therefore these are adding with the elements of the row wise, corresponding elements of the row wise. All r will be multiples of ones, and all r will be same types of elements. Therefore, these are adding with the form of row r1, r2, r3. But it will get operated in the column wise, because these are the corresponding elements of the columns. So that is the first element of first column, that is the first element of the second column, and that one is called the first element of the third column. So the first elements of the first column. So therefore these elements, first element of the first column, first element of the second column, and first element of the third column. So now get adding with the row operation, row wise will get operated in the column wise. It's always remembered in the reverse order. So we'll get operated in the row wise, the corresponding elements are represented in the column form. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ ವೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ದು ಆಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರೋ ವೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ರೋ ವೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. therefore C1 can be changes with C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 changes with C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then first elements are a plus x plus second element is y plus third element is z. If all these elements are adding with their each other, and it's one of the element of the first column. Similarly, second row is adding with each other, it's nothing but element of the second element, that is x plus a plus y plus z, and the third element is x plus y plus a plus z. Now these are the first element of C1. But what are the remaining column? C2 and C3 are does not altered. Y, a plus y and y. And third column is z, z, a plus z. So then we'll observe if all the elements of the first columns are an same types of elements. These are nothing but a plus x plus y plus z, a plus x plus y plus z. Therefore, these are the common element. Therefore, that element has a common factor. A plus x plus y plus z have a common factor in place of C1. C1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ elements ನ common ತೆಗಿರಿ. So what are the remaining elements of that C1 is nothing but 1, 1, 1. So remaining element of C1s are 1, 1, 1. And the second column says y, a plus y, y, and third column is z, z, and a plus z. So after then we'll observe the elements of the determinant. If all the elements of the first columns are nothing but 1. So then we'll be using the previous methods. So 1 is possible to reduce it in terms of 0 or in easily. Therefore, these are the elements of the column wise. Then we'll get operated in the row form. So R2 can be changes with R2 minus R1. Corresponding elements of R2 and R1 are subtracting with each other. Similarly, R3 can be changes with R3 minus R1, R3 minus R1, otherwise R3 minus R2. But in these cases, now we'll be using for R1 because the third element of second element of the third row is directly gets 0 after subtraction of R1. First, we'll observe these elements. Y and y both are will be same. So therefore R3 can be subtracting with their corresponding elements of R1. That element is directly is nothing but 0. So therefore R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. But in these cases R3 is depends on either R1 or than R2. So R2 is always depends on R1. But R3 is depends on in possibilities of both of them. So it depends on either R2 or than R1. So therefore delta is nothing but a plus x plus y plus z of the elements of the first rows are does not altered 1, y and z. Elements of the second row are subtracting with the corresponding elements of the first row. R2 can be changes with R2 minus R1. That is 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. The second element a plus y minus a plus y minus a y. Third element is z minus z. So z minus z is nothing but 0. Similarly, R3 can be changes with R3 minus R1. So R3 is depends on R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Second element is y minus y is 0. And third element is a plus z minus z. A plus z minus z. So after that, by using the properties of the determinant, if one sides of the diagonal elements are will be 0, therefore the values of the determinant is called as product of the diagonal. But if the diagonals are also possible to some simplification, a plus y minus y, y are get cancelled. Similarly, a plus z minus z, z are also get cancelled. But what are the remaining elements of the diagonal? 1, a. So 1 a are get multiplied with each other is nothing but a square. So therefore the delta is nothing but a plus x plus y plus z of a into a is nothing but a square. So that is an RHS of the given results. Next one, show that determinant of minus a square ab minus b square bc, ac, bc and minus c square is equal to 4 times of a square, b square, c square. Now first we will consider in the delta. Elements of delta are minus a square, ab, ac, ab minus b square, bc, ac, bc minus c square. Now, first we'll observe the elements of in either row wise or in the column wise. Now, first we'll observe the elements of row wise. In the elements of the first row, minus a square, ab and ac. These are the multiple of a or not? So, these are the multiple of a. Similarly, in the elements of the second row, it's also a multiple of b. And elements of the third row, it's a multiple of c. So, similarly, then we'll observe the elements are in their column wise. Minus a square, ab, ac. Now, it's also a multiple of a or not? It's a sum of their multiples of a. And second columns are also a multiple of b. Third is a multiple of c. Therefore, if it is possible to get either in row or in the column factors, if one of their elements have a common term. So, that can be written as in R1, get an a as a common factor, R2, b as a common factor, and R3, now c as a common factor. Either it can be row or it can be column. So, if any one of the formation, first we will get a common factor. So, but now we will use first row nalli a common tegita idini, second row nalli b common tegita idini, third row nalli c common tegita idini. Therefore, a, b, c are the common factor. What about the remaining? So, now first we'll a as a common factor for R1. So, what are the remaining elements of R1? After a as a common factor, what are the remaining elements of first row? In terms of minus a square, one of a as a common factor, what about the remaining? That is another minus a. Similarly, second term, it's a multiple of a into b. Now, a as a common factor, remaining element is nothing but b. And in terms of third element, a into c, now a as a common factor, remaining is nothing but c. So, it means only a as a common factor from the first row. Similarly, in the second row, now b as a common factor. So, what are the remaining elements? In terms of a into b get an outside of the determinant, remaining is a from the first element. Similarly, in terms of minus b square, one of b as a common factor, remaining is nothing but minus b. And in terms of b into c, cr will be remaining. Then we'll come to the third row. So, third row now get a common factor for the element of c. Therefore, after c as a common factor, what about the remaining in the third row? So, elements of a, b and then minus c. So, once we in terms of row wise, first row a as a common factor, in second row b as a common factor, and third row c as a common factor. After this, form of elements are in the form of. So, again we will observe the elements of the determinants. Once what are the elements have a common factor. Again we will observe the remaining elements of the determinant. These are also a multiple of some elements are in the form of column wise. So, we will observe the elements of the first column, it's a multiple of A, in the second column it's a multiple of B, and in the third column it's a multiple of C. Therefore, again in the first column A as a common factor, the second column B as a common factor, and in the third column now C as a common factor. Therefore, one of A, B, C is already existing in the operations of row operation. It's another one of A, B, C is exist after the column operation. So, A as in the first column, B as in the second column, and C as in the third column. So, what about the remaining element? In the first column, now A as a common factor, what about the remaining element? Minus 1, 1, 1. Similarly, in the second column, B as a common factor, remaining is 1, minus 1, 1. So, and in the third column, now C as a common factor, 1, 1, minus 1. So, after that possible to by using in their elementary row operation, otherwise by using simplification form of determinants, their expansion form. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ 2-3 steps ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ procedures of how to get expand the form of determinants. Therefore, in the common factors, ABC into ABC is nothing but A square, B square, C square of. Get simplify the determinant. In the first element, minus 1 of. Minus 1 is an element of the first row and first column. Minus 1 is an element of first row and first column. These elements are get neglected and the remainings are get cross multiplied. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus right to diagonal is also 1. Similarly, the next element 1. 1 into minus is minus 1. So minus 1 of means 1 is an element of the first row, second column. 1 is an element of first row, second column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are get cross multiply. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus right to diagonal is 1 into 1 is 1. Then we'll come to the third element is plus 1. So 1 is an element of the first row, third column. 1 is an element of the first row, third column, and these are get neglected and remainings are get cross multiply. 1 formulas for minus and right diagonal is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So after get simplify, A square, B square, C square of minus 1 into 1 minus 1 is 0. That means 0 into anything will be 0. In the second element, minus 1 of minus 1 is minus 2, plus last element is 1 of 1 minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is A square, B square, C square of minus 1 into minus 2 is 2, plus 1 into 2 is also 2. Then it is 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. That is 4 times of A square, B square, C square. It's a solution for the RHS. Next one. Show that determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 or 4 minus x whole square. Now consider in the delta. So delta is equal to x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now first we'll observe if you have any common factor from early elements of any row or in there any columns. In the first row, x plus 4, x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x. So if all the elements of the first row is a multiple of x, ಕರಿಬೋದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. So therefore it's not an any common factor. Similarly for the second row as in the third row. Again we'll observe the elements of the column wise. These are also does not containing in any common factor. Therefore by using the concept of additions of the corresponding elements of rows and the columns. Now first we'll observe the elements of the first row. X plus 4, 2x, 2x, xo, 2xo, 2xo. How many xr will be there? 5x. That is 5x plus 4. Similarly, 2x, x, 2x is nothing but 5x plus 4. 2x, 2x, x is also 5x plus 4. So, if all the elements of the corresponding elements of R1, R2, R3 are nothing but 5x plus 4. That is one of the common element. So, similarly, we will observe the elements of the column wise. So x plus 4, 2x, 2x. That is also 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. So in that problem, if it is possible to get be using either in row or in the column wise. But in the last problem, it's only applicable for the column row addition, that is called as column operation. But in these cases, now it's using in any one of them, either in row addition or in the column addition. Suppose we will get adding in their column wise. Elements are adding in the column wise. That is an operations of the row form. That is an operation of the row form. Otherwise, if it is adding in the row wise, elements are adding in the row form. That is an operations of the column form. So therefore, we will get changes in any one of them. Now can be adding in the corresponding elements of row forms. So elements are adding in the row forms, that is an operations of the columns. Therefore C1 can be changes with C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore delta is nothing but elements of the first column. X plus 4, 2x, 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 x is nothing but 5x, 5x plus 4. Similarly, second elements 2x, x, 2x is also 5x plus 4. Now the third element 2x, 2x, x plus 4 can be written as 5x plus 4. So and the elements, these are the elements of the first column. The second and third columns are does not alter. That is 2x, x plus 4, 2x, and the third column is 2x, 2x and x plus 4. So after that, if all the elements of the first column is a multiple of 5x plus 4, therefore that 5x plus 4 have a common factor. So after that, what are the remaining elements of the first column is nothing but 1, 1, 1. Elements of second columns are 2x, x plus 4, 2x, and elements of the third columns are 2x, 2x and x plus 4. So then we will observe the elements of the first columns are nothing but 1, 1, 1. Therefore get operating in the row formation. Therefore R2 can be changes with R2 minus R1, and again R3 can be changes with R3 minus either in R1 or the R2. But once we will observe the elements of second elements of R3. So first element is again 1 minus 1 will be 0, can be subtracting with either second row or in the first row if it is does not alter. But in the second element, so after subtraction of R3 minus R1 is nothing but 0, but R3 minus R2 is nothing but some elements R will be there. So therefore get subtracting with their elements of R1. R3 can be changes with R3 minus R1. So then 5x plus 4 have a common factor of elements of the first row are does not alter. 1, 2x, 2x. But elements of the second row are subtracting with the corresponding element of the first row. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. Second element. X plus 4 minus 2x. Once we will write the form of x plus 4 minus 2x. Excuse me. Third element. 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x is nothing but 0. Similarly, R3. R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. And last element is x plus 4 minus 2x. So after then, by using the condition of properties of the determinant, if one sides of the diagonals are will be 0. That is 5x plus 4 of, what are the diagonal elements? 1, 2x, 2x, 0, x plus 4 minus 2x is nothing but 4 minus 6. And last one is 0. 0, 0, again x plus 4 minus 2x is nothing but 4 minus 6. So therefore, the diagonal elements are 1, 4 minus 6, 4 minus x, that can be written as 5x plus 4 of 4 minus 6 into 4 minus x can be written as 4 minus x whole square. That is an RHS.